So what are you thinking about the morning, Josh?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm just happy to be in New Hampshire. Camp, by fire. We got a few birds roosted, some options, and we got another extremely early morning, so really looking forward to that. And roosting birds seems like it's so important up here.
Yeah.
And
I mean, it doesn't have to be, but
it works.
Yeah.
I mean, that strategy works.
And with the birds in Vermont not talking after the flight,
Yeah.
and then it's like, that's what you got to do. And you're not getting back until 8:30, 9 o'clock.
And then doing it all over. I mean, but I'm telling you what, it's a blast. I mean, it's a great country up here. I'm looking forward to tomorrow morning.
It'll be fun.
Hopefully it wins.
They gobble good tonight.
Chicks down. Brett roosted a couple birds that we're going to go hunt this morning. He and I are on the gun. John's on the camera. Let's get in here because John took all the time up, so we don't have time for a big long interview, so we got to get in here.
True story.
Yeah, I'm good at
Let's
that.
go. Here's your light.
That's my light.
Oh, that's your light.
He even got a light as a cameraman. Last day. It stinks, but I guess I gotta go back West Virginia and hunt a couple days with Brody and then go to work a few days, which that's the real stinky part. We had this bird roosted the night before last. Tried to get on him mid-morning yesterday. No success, so we got a pretty good idea where he's at this morning. We're going to get in real tight like we have been doing this all week and see if we can make it happen here on the last day. I'm pretty excited. I got real good sleep last night for the first time. We got about 5.5 hours sleep.
Yeah.
6.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, so it was awesome. It's been a great week, man. He should be flying down here directly. He's on the ground going away from us. Well, this bird is pitched off, and he's got a little lady with him. We're gonna see what he does here.
Not today.
Not today.
There's another day.
Yeah.
That's right. Was he right there? I think he was right back in that timber there.
Let's go
There he
kill
is
him.
again. He just gobbled again.
Let's go kill him.
He gobbling on his own.
Yeah.
That's good, because there's a heck of a storm coming.
Is there?
Yep, it's going to pour the rain from 7:30 to like 9.
Are you serious? You just looked at it?
Yeah, just look.
Let's go kill him right now. Gobble again. Hey.
Hey, I think I might have just heard drumming.
What do you think we should get over here?
That's a heck of a grunt call.
Yeah, I mean, or just sit right up behind this rock wall. Like
Right
slide with him. I mean, I'm talking like this.
Okay.
If you need to, you know.
Let's go up here.
Because then we can slide with him if he stays on this side.
Let's hear him one more time.
That goes up or if it's just flat there.
Yeah, I think he's about 80 yards.
Yeah, maybe a little further.
Yeah.
I look at a map.
Let's move it. Let's move. I think we listen to him gobble. If we can get on that side of that drain. What do you think? Huh?
Look at the map quick.
I don't want to call right here, and I've only got 15 yards. I think I might get that opening.
Okay.
Do you think we can make it there?
I think we can either make it or we won't. But if you don't think you can kill a bear, then I wouldn't stay here. Yeah, I think you do, Josh.
Do you agree or don't agree?
Yeah, I'm with you. I think. I can't tell if he's getting closer or not. What are your thoughts?
I can't tell you. But I want to call. Because I'm afraid he's going to skirt us over there. Yeah. Straight up from us.
Yeah, I don't know how we can get up to him.
Swing out.
I don't know that he's gonna come down.
What do you think?
I don't know. I don't know that he's moving. It's hard. I think
hard.
he's just turning around.
I don't think he's gonna come down in here.
The bird ain't moving. He's kind of up on a rise above us. We're going to go down this cut. And we're going to swing up with him on that same elevation, see what we can do with him. We really need to get right there at them trees. Because of this deadfall.
Just drop down right here and come around the backside, maybe.
What do you think, John?
I don't know if I move anymore. Right, don't go.
I'm definitely not moving.
I can't see him right
ain't he?
Yeah. I wasn't on him when he shot, but
That's,
I mean, that was that.
hey, I ain't worried about that.
Never mind, that was a sweet hunt. Nice job, buddy.
Come on, Brett!
Nice.
Dude, give me some.
It's cool.
Dude, I knew that you probably wasn't gonna be on him.
I was on, did you see him before that?
Dude, he was at this tree, but he was in a dip, and I could just see his head popping, and I did not want to take a chance.
Yeah.
And I saw him when you said left shoulder, you know, he was over there, but that's so brushy.
Right. The only time I thought you would have been able to shoot him was when he started to come over and he
Well, I was going to shoot when he kind of reached up.
Yeah.
And then he got down, I think it was that tree right there.
Yeah.
But then I knew he was moving to our right, and I knew for a camera angle it was going to be crappy.
Yeah, and it was,
but
if I moved, it was
it's been a freaking good hunt.
That was a sweet hunt.
So we got the bird, and I'm flying home.
Yeah, right before the rain.
The storm's coming, catching a plane.
The only thing that saved us is all this thick.
Oh yeah, kept on moving on him.
Yeah.
Gobble, move.
And he even keeping him around. So he's like, all right, there's a chance she's down there, and I can't see her.
That's right.
So thick.
And we finally got in this bubble where he kind of came down off this flat
Yeah.
to check.
Yep. Nice one.
John, it has absolutely been a freaking hoot this week.
You better get a tag on him and get out of here. Congrats. What?
He's
Well, we
just
just
up on
kept
this
on
knob.
moving.
We just kept
He
creeping.
would not move. He was up on this
On that
flat,
knob.
and we finally got in his bubble, and he had to come down here and check it out. He was going. He was swinging out here to the right. He was at that oak right there.
Where were you, down here?
Yeah, we were right down there, right
shit.
there at those 3 trees. John Shields.
It's true. Shit, how many times have you shot when he's been here?
I've shot a few.
About 6.
I've shot a few. You know, at least $80 worth of shells. He came out right there. And I couldn't shoot him. And then he went to that oak up there.
Okay.
That's a good beard.
It's not bad.
Anything that normally causes those whites. I have a celebratory crane dip. Well, packing out a little heavier today. Yes, sir. It has been a great week. The guys at Just Hunt Club have been awesome to hunt with. We've had a great camp. People in and out all week. Did Vermont, New Hampshire. I'm gonna get back up with them. Hopefully hunt New York. Brett wants to go to Maine. Gonna go back to camp, tear down, and we got a short drive to the airport. And I'm gonna head back to West Virginia. Thank these guys a whole lot. Go check them out. Follow them on YouTube. Go check them out at Instagram and Facebook.
Just Hunt Club. Thanks for coming, dude. I'm glad you had a good time.
Oh, I had a ball. John, thank you. Brett, seriously.
No.
Glad you got you a couple.